chapter is the working of the United Nations. We have learnt about the birth of the United Nations in the previous chapter. What do we mean by conflict? So means a serious argument between two groups of people or of country also. Expertise means high level of language or knowledge in a particular field. Preside means to be in charge of a veto, an official right to reject a decision made by lawmakers. Abide, to obey or accept. Vaccination, the treatment with vaccines to prevent them from getting a disease. So Anganwadi, central providing the care for here, it should be center providing care for mothers and young children in rural areas. Refugee means people forced to leave their country to escape war or any type of violence. Illiteracy means a lack of ability to read and write. The opposite of this is literacy, which is more important. Let's move to the next exercise number 8. Take the correct answer. Here we have not shown you the options. Which UN body comprises of all member nations? So it is General Assembly. How many members are there in the Security Council? Answer is 15, out of which 10 are non-permanent and 5 are permanent. Next question is, who is the administrative officer of the United Nations? So it is Secretary General. Which UN body or agency is chiefly concerned with children's welfare? So it is UNICEF, United Nations. Like this emergency children's ऐसा ही कुछ हमारा है. Which UN agency of the UN is briefly concerned with protection and preservation of world sites? It is UNESCO. हमारी कंट्री से भी बहुत सारी जो इंडिया से वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स यूनेस्को ने चूज करके रखा है. एक्सरसाइज बी, राइट द फुल फॉर्म्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बॉडीज ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस. First one is UNESCO. So the full form of UNESCO is U for United, N for Nations, E for Educational, S for Scientific, C for Cultural and O for Organization. तो हम लोगों ने क्या गेट किया? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF means United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. WHO का मतलब हुआ वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो कि हमारे कोविड-19 के भी टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया था. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज FAO, फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. UNDP, तो इसका मतलब है यूनाइटेड नेशंस डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. तो यूनाइटेड नेशंस को डेवलप ही नहीं करने का बल्कि पीपल्स को ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. ओके. Next one is exercise D. Answer these questions. Name the main organs of the UN. So the main organs of the UN are Security Council, General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council. Then we have got Trusteeship Council, which is no more existing, International Court of Justice, and Secretariat. Okay. So this is the answer. Write the or describe the structure and functions of the Security Council. The structure and functions of the Security Council are as follows. First one is the Security Council is responsible for the maintenance of peace and security in the world. It has 15 members, out of which 5 are permanent and 10 are non-permanent. The decisions taken by them are final as they have veto powers. So this is the answer. The next question is, what is the function of Secretariat? Who is its chief officer? The functions of the Secretariat are, it is the administrative organ of the UN. It reports on the UN's work all over the world. The chief officer is called Secretary General. You tell me, who is the current Secretary General? Which UN body launched the campaign Freedom from Hunger? Where is it based? The UN body which launched the campaign Freedom from Hunger is FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. Here should be Agricultural Organization. It is based or located in Rome. So the answer which I will show you is this. Describe the achievements of the United Nations. So the achievements of the United Nations are as follows. The UN has been able to prevent the use of destructive weapons. The UN is actively involved in peacekeeping operations. The UN has made this world a better place to live and work. So this was the answer of this question. With this question, we end this chapter.